Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to get started on some plumbing and going to take and show you some progress that we've made so far. And unfortunately haven't made a lot of videos of the things that we've done. Just, well, kind of things got away from us, and well, it's kind of hard working by yourself and shooting video. But I'm going to show you some of the progress that we've made. Alright, so this afternoon we got the roof done, got the overhangs cut back, tied in, and got the shingles installed. Turned out pretty good. Got it all tied in. So now we're good and dried in. Took off the little whirly birds off the roof because, well, we're doing away with those inside the roof. But anyway, roof is in good condition now. Still got to do the metal on the front porch. You can see, but it's coming right along.
Yours is the size of my shit.
Alright, got the overhangs cut back. Got our eave drip on. Everything's wrapped up. And another, you got our eave cut back. Everything looks good. We'll come back and clean this up a little bit and we'll be good to go.
No, I mean this gun get on.
I'm just going to start here on the outside with the tour so far. You see we've got the siding up and we got first coat of paint on. Still have some trim work to do. Moving along here, we've got a little repair work yet to do here. We got a fly racker we got to put out here. And then here's the front porch. We're going to come back and stain the deck. We found a sidewalk underneath all the dirt. We're not sure what we're going to do there yet, but it's coming together pretty good. Looks like a much better place now that we've got some paint on the walls. And if you remember, this wall was all opened up, but looking much better now. Got our slab poured for our outside AC unit. Got our disconnect installed. Like I said, got a first coat of paint on. Just still got some touch-up stuff to do here, but it's coming right along. It should be done here in the next few days. Moving along to the inside, you can see we've got insulation going in. Not 100%, but it's getting there. We've got some of our interior plumbing, rough plumbing installed. That's coming right along. It'll be ready for drywall in the next few days, hopefully. We've got our interior air handler set. It's not hooked up yet, but it's set, and I'll be happy when time comes that this thing gets hooked up. Now you can see it's kind of hard to tell previously how it was going to look, but here is one of the bedrooms. There's the closet. Come out of the bedroom here. Here's the other bedroom. And got some insulation falling down over there. Wasn't stapled in well. Using this for some storage right now. Master bedroom area. It's kind of interesting. You notice that the windows are steamed up a little bit while they're on the outside, and we do have a small window air conditioner in here. It's been running this week while we've been working, and this one small unit has been keeping it nice and cool in here, anywhere from 20 to 25 degrees cooler than outside. So the insulation and sealing everything up does wonders. And here's our hall bath. Got our exhaust fans installed. Some places don't require exhaust fans, but if you don't have a window, it's always good to put an exhaust fan in your bathroom. So that's the grand tour of the inside, and hopefully we'll have some drywall going on here in the next day or so. We're going to try and finish up the plumbing today, and we'll let you know how things have progressed as soon as we have something to update. Thanks for watching.